Earthlink Wireless Home Internet. In today's video, you will get a tutorial on Earthlink Wireless Home Internet. So let's get started. First, you will see all of these important options: the LED status indicators, connection for external antennas, power port, WPS button, WAN LAN port, 4 gigabit LAN ports, USB ports, SIM card access slot. So what you have to do is first you have to plug in the device, connect the Earthlink device to a power outlet ideally near a window to ensure the best signal. Now download the application on your smartphone. Download the free Earthlink Wireless Home Internet application from the Google Play Store or Apple Store. Now open the app and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Once done, use the online portal. If you prefer, you can also set up your service using the online wireless home internet portal instead of the application. Once you have connected your device, open a web browser on a computer or phone connected to the new network, and you should be automatically redirected to the activation page. If not, go to the URL provided in your installation kit, follow the on-screen instruction to enter your account information and activate your services. And that's all. That's how you will be able to set up your Earthlink Wireless Home Internet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.